name's Valentina. I'm from Edgar Adelaide Architects. St Columbus Library was a new library that St Columbus School needed for a long time. It was going to be a brand new library. They were going to get more space than they had before. Client requested something that was new, something that was playful, something kids could interact with. Interface Floor was a very good range for it because they've got a lot of new colours, a lot of new textures and patterns that most of the corporate sort of environments aren't used to. So we decided to go for a colour space, which is a relatively new range. It's quite a new range. We played with patterns, we played with different designs, and kids can sort of interact with and move around the space. Yeah, we weren't quite bright. Main flooring had a few stripes through that we could tie in all the laminated colours and all the cushioning and all the furniture with. So everything sort of tie in within the small space, feature wall and everything. So it's a bright space. Kids love it. They love to play around, and it's a really interactive space and encourages learning and interaction and activity. It's what the client was after.